What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, I'm going to ask you to do me a huge favor. Take 5 seconds of your time. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. It helps the channel tremendously moving forward. Of course, we're still here at Aladdin Motorsports, but we got a new part in for the car. This time it's cosmetic. The engine is half taken apart right now. Let me go ahead and show you guys that. As you would have seen in the previous video, we're in the middle of doing oil pump gears. So the whole timing cover and everything's off, as you see. We're just waiting for a couple of parts to come in, and that will be done. If you haven't seen that video already, go ahead and click on the button right up there. But today we're doing something cosmetic. We're doing a VIS racing Terminator hood. Go ahead and take a look at it. Got it on the car right now. About to take the stock hood off so I can transport this one back. Another thing that we'll be doing with this hood is installing the GT500 style hood pins and then having everything ceramic coated. All right, we got the hood completely off. It looks so aggressive. All right, guys, there it is. Obviously the bumper's still off. All functional venting. Again, it's the VIS Racing Terminator style hood. Alright guys, with that being said, that's going to be it for this portion of the video. We're going to get that installed, or finish installing it with the hood pins, have it ceramic coated like we were mentioning, and then get some POV driving shots, get some cinematic shots, etc. We got some more cosmetic stuff coming in, and of course we do have the wrap. So with that being said, we'll catch you in a few days on the same video. We got to finish up the oil pump gears, of course, and you guys will already see that video by this point. So a lot of you are probably wondering just how bad the visibility is with this hood. Well, I'm going to put you guys on my GoPro so you guys can see that it's not all that bad. I mean, realistically, it's not terrible. Alright, now to answer the question that you're probably all wondering, how's the visibility with this hood? Well, I'm 5'11". I have my seat all the way down and I can see just fine. I have no complaints whatsoever when it comes to visibility. Honestly, I thought it was going to be worse. I've never driven with a cowl hood before, and let me tell you, this VIS racing hood, the Terminator style hood, it looks absolutely amazing on the outside. I'm in love with it. It just gave the car a lot more character. Now, it also helped a ton with the IAT2s. It's allowing a lot more heat to escape. We got a vent in the front that's going right across the supercharger, and it has a vent in the back that allows the air to come through, so it's not acting like an air dam. With that being said, I've noticed my temps while just sitting at idle are a lot better than usual, even when it's 110 degrees outside. So therefore I'm happy with it. I literally have zero complaints when it comes to this hood. Visibility is good, like I said. It looks amazing. It helps with the IATs. The one thing that I do have to do still is install the hood pins. So I'm currently looking for a shop to do that. I'd install the pins myself. I went with the GT500 style hood pins, but I just don't want to take responsibility for fucking up a $2,000 hood. It wouldn't sit well with me, so I'd rather pay a shop to do it. If they mess it up, they're responsible for it. I just don't want to hold myself liable. I'd be beating myself up over that for a long time. With that being said, let's do a little bit of driving POV style so you can see exactly how you would see with this hood on your car. I definitely recommend it. Like I was saying, it does change the whole look of the car. I haven't even removed the air vents on the inside yet, so there's covers in there to stop rain from getting in or stop water from getting in the engine bay. I haven't removed them yet. When I remove them, it should help with the IAT2s even more. So I'm gonna remove them here in the next couple of days when I get a chance. I literally just went and got a car wash. It didn't do that great of a job last time. It did a much better job. There's a touchless car wash that I've gone to a couple of times now that did an amazing job, but this time it left water all over my car. I don't know if the dryer is going out, but anyhow, I'm gonna have to wash it by hand tomorrow, I guess. Alright, there you have it, a little time lapse showing the visibility that you have with the VIS racing hood. I have the Terminator style. Other people just go with the normal VIS racing hood. Either way, I'm in love with their product. All 3 or 4 of their options on the S550 Mustang look absolutely phenomenal, so no complaints with any of their hood styles. I just preferred the Cobra style. Alright guys, with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comments section below. Let me know your thoughts with this new hood. Of course, we do have some more goodies coming for the car. We got a drag pack. That's probably going to be the next video. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the hood. Let me know if you think the visibility is okay. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. About 70% of you guys that are watching haven't subscribed yet, so make sure you do so. It helps the channel tremendously moving forward. Until next time, we're checking out.